Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which I can see right now over here. So it's the moon icon, and I would advise you to hold this toggle so take us to the settings where you can actually customize how it works. So we have a couple things like, well, enabling it from here. So you can simply tap on it to enable it. You have a schedule, and now there is one right now created by default, but you can tap on add and create your own. So you have repeat, select days that you want to work in, make sure that they're selected, and then start time, end time, and that's about it. Tap on the check mark and automatically becomes enabled. And then below that we have allow interruptions, calls from everyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. Choose whichever one you want. Then you have messages, same options, so you can select which one you want. And then at the bottom, repeated callers. When enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So you can enable that, and this is a good option in terms of emergency, and this option will bypass completely whatever it's set in the calls. So at the moment, no one should be able to call me, but if they call twice within a 15-minute period, the second time around, they will be able to reach me normally as though the Do Not Disturb mode is not even enabled. So that's basically all the settings that we have here. So we can leave this, and apart from the schedule, if you choose to not use the schedule, you can simply tap on a toggle like so to enable it whenever you want it, and once you're done with it, tap on it again to disable it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.